Hello. In this tutorial, we will create a very simple app but really addictive app named Sticky. Let's get started. First, open Android Studio, create an empty activity, enter your name, package name, and click Finished. Add a simple app. We only need an image for the view. So, the idea for the super addictive app is to make users stick to the app. They won't be able to escape from our app. What? To do so, firstly, we override the back button so that we will disable it. Now you can see that the back button has been disabled. User cannot use the back button to escape from the app. Next, we will prevent user from calling our app using the home button or reset app button. To do so, we first create a restart function, and then we override the onDestroy and onPause method. Now, let's test our most addictive app. Now that is our app. After launching, it will show an image like this. Suppose that we try to close our app using the back button, and you can see that it can pop up a toast message. Please stay with me. Please stay with me. Alright. And how about we use the home button? Okay, it pop up. See you in 1 second. Oh, and it pop it up like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.